Our project's called hDMT INFRA StemCells, and the idea is to make stem cells from patients towards making new therapies for diseases that at present cannot be cured. We have a number of models, stem cell models for patients, but we carry out these models by hand, but we want to do this with robotics to make them more reproducible and to make them accessible to many different groups. So it means we can have continuity in the production process. At the moment it's quite easy to make stem cells from one individual and make their different cell types from them and test lots of drugs, but it's very hard to make them from thousands of people. So what we need are robotics to do it all in parallel. So there's various parts we're going to do with this grant. One of them is to develop the robots themselves to be suitable for our purposes. The second thing is to create a database of all the results we get from these models. That means anybody doing this type of experiment or this type of model anywhere in the world can check whether their model is actually working by referencing this database. So it will also prevent duplication of results, which is enormous loss of resources. And the last thing we will do is train people to use these models accurately and appropriately. In the end, we hope this project will mean that we can give the right drug to the right patient. So we'll have less drug failures and reduce the cost of giving a drug, an expensive drug, to a patient that's not going to react. So that's the bottom line. In addition, we expect to find treatments for conditions that are presently not treatable, for example, Alzheimer, for example, heart failure. Because we then will have the right models, which are not necessarily animal models.